Welcome to another episode of the August Diaries, and in this video we are going to be taking on Zone 4. What is Zone 4? Well, that is the master bedroom, master bathroom, master bedroom closet, and I've got a few things in there that definitely needs doing, so let's get at it. This video is brought to you by Apron Diva. Pretty and practical, we believe that an apron can be a homemaker's best accessory. Our featured apron for the week is the Max, and as you can see, it is a generous coverage, so it is perfect for our plus size ladies. Well, you guys have said that you've really been liking the way I've been showing you how I use my planner to organize my home, and I will admit it's been a lot of fun, and it has certainly been keeping me on track. And I've gotten a couple questions about what kind of planner do I use, and I use the Inkwell Press 360. It's a disc bound planner, and I can just tear the pages out. I love disc bound planners, so I can just tear the pages out and set things up for the week. So that's what I'm going to do today. Now next week, when I work on week 5, or shall I say, well, week 5, zone 5, I'm going to have a new planner to try out. I've gotten my hands on a copy of the planner from Kimmy at She's in Her Apron, and I'm going to use that one for my zone 5 cleaning, and we'll see how that translates for me. So I'm looking forward to that. But in the meantime, what I've got is my Inkwell Press 360, and I've been using the Inkwell Press system for probably the last 5 or 6 years, but the disc planner I've been using for the last 2, and I do enjoy that. Now, one of the questions that I've been getting in regards to the zone cleaning system is this is from the Flylady Cleaning system, and you can go to flylady.net and find out all the information about it. I've not come up with this idea myself, but Marla Silly is the original Flylady, and she's amazing and has come up with a wonderful system to help us homemakers manage our homes. But my personal Flylady mentor is Flylady Cat, and she's my favorite one. So I think she's the best Flylady on YouTube. So be sure and go visit Cat and tell her Denise sent you. So the 4 tasks that I've identified that I'm going to work on in my master bedroom area starts with the master bathroom, and I'm going to go to war with that shower. I need to wipe that little surround around as well as the floor. Now that's the shower that my husband uses most often, and he will spray the Method Daily Shower Cleaner in there, but sometimes it just still needs a little bit of attention, and I will admit I have not been in there to give it attention recently. So I'm going to put that on the list to do today. And then I'm going to do a deep clean of that bathroom floor. When I do my weekly home blessing, I will go in and just kind of mop it like right there in the middle, or I'll have him do that. But I want to get behind the commode, in the corners, those kind of things that I don't do on a day-to-day basis. The third thing that I'm going to do is to polish all the woodwork on the bedroom furniture. I like to get it dusted and then put a little orange glow or some other kind of a wood polish on it, every couple of months, just to keep it nice. And then the 4th task that I'm going to do is to organize my husband's drawers that go underneath the bed. So those are the 4 things that I'm going to do in the zone this week. Now, another question that I've been getting has been, how long do you work in the zone? You only pick a task that you're going to spend about 15 minutes, typically no longer than 20. So typically on Monday, when I do my weekly home blessing, that does include sweeping and mopping the floors. But on this particular day, I'm going to have the hubby mop the floors because I'm really going to go to work in that shower, so I know I'll be pretty tired. So I'll have hubby mop the floors, but not the floors in this bathroom. I'll deep clean the floor in this bathroom, or the bathroom that I'm going to work in, the master bathroom, the next day, but I'll have him mop all the other floors. That just makes it a little bit easier for me. One of the other questions that I tend to get is, how many tasks do you do when you are doing your zone cleaning? Flylady suggests 4. Just 4 tasks, and tasks that you can complete in a 15 but no longer than a 20-minute period, because there's other things that you're doing as a part of your daily routine. So just 4 tasks. You can do as many as you want, But what you want to do is get into a routine, get into a habit. All right, so I'll see you tomorrow for day 1 of Zone 4 cleaning. I've got a reminder right here that you are the art in the art and science of homemaking. And even I, Miss Denise, sometimes get just a little bit discouraged by different things that are going on. So I wanted to have my apron note front and center this week. Hey homemakers, welcome to another day of the August Diaries. And yes, this is the Miss Denise that you know and love, but we are not cleaning pretty today. I am going to war with that shower. And I will admit, whereas I do my daily swish and swipe in this bathroom and I keep it pretty neat, I don't give the shower surrounding here as much attention as I do to the one that I typically use. It is Monday, so it's time for the weekly home blessing, and I've got all of that already done. And the shower is my zone task for today. And since I know it can be a little hot, a little sweaty, or at least definitely be messy, I didn't even want to put on one of my utilitarian dresses to work in there today. So I've got on some utilitarian yoga clothes. Utilitarian yoga clothes, well, I do have some pretty yoga clothes, and these are not it. So if I get a little something splashed on them, I'll be fine. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray the shower surround down and let the product begin to do its work. I'm going to be using my shower solution. It is just 2 ounces of Dawn, and I like the Blue Dawn dishwashing liquid, 2 ounces of vinegar, and 2 ounces of water, or at least equal parts. And this is where I am down to the bottle right now, because this bottle was full with equal parts of that solution. And get everything out of the shower, and then we'll get to work. And yes, we do have the daily shower spray, the Method daily shower spray, and I think he does use it for the most part. There's probably some parts that he misses, as well as, you know, you can get all that grit down on the floor too, so. And I like to spray it liberally. Sometimes he leaves his soap right here on top of this little ledge, and then they just kind of start to soak or melt. So got that off. All right, so this has been sitting for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and scrub it down. I've got my little bottle with me in case I need to wet it some more, and then my trusty little bathroom sponge. Once I get it all wiped down, I feel like it's pretty clean, then I'll take my handheld shower sprayer and spray it all down, and then I'll wipe it down with some microfiber cloths. I've seen a couple people doing their showers with these little brushes. I might try that. I have not at this point, but I might give it a try. It will start to dry just a little bit, so sometimes you just have to reapply it. That's why I keep the spray bottle in hand. Scrubbing it like this too also helps me keep that mold and mildew that can get in the shower surrounds. I don't really have that problem too much in here. Sometimes on the shower door, but this has been helpful with that as well. And as I use up some of the cleaning products that I have, I'm trying to go with more environmentally friendly, natural type products. So. Well, I guess I spoke too soon. There is a little bit of mold that I'm seeing, or a little bit of crud, I should say, right under the very bottom where this shower door opens and closes. If you have any ideas for how to get these shower glass doors really clean, drop them in the comment section. I'd appreciate hearing about it. This is just an old toothbrush that I use for cleaning, but I will pitch it after today's session. We got a crack in this door. We might need to get somebody out. Now we'll get it sprayed down. That was more than an ocean. Now I'm going to wipe it down with a microfiber towel. You see why I don't clean pretty when I'm doing this task. Well, I thought I was done, but I went out and I checked my cleaning preps, and I had this Lysol mold and mildew foamer with bleach, and I thought I'd spray that on. So the particular instructions for at this stage is after you've done all the cleaning and that kind of thing, you just spray it on, let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then you can wipe it off with a paper towel. And for my young homemakers, that just goes to show I didn't think that there was mold and mildew in here, but then I'm not in this particular bathroom all the time looking at the shower in those like nitty-gritty little places. So I found that there are some places there that do need attention. So make sure you're checking those things yourself. So now, in case you were wondering, since it is Monday and it is the day for the weekly home blessing, we would normally do the floors today. And yes, the floors in the other rooms have been done, but not in this room because I didn't want to come in here, make a big mess with the shower after I've already done the floor. And frankly, I'm too tired to do the floor in here today. So I will get the floor in here on Wednesday, my next day of zone cleaning. We've had this floor in this bathroom for more than 20 years, so I really can't complain about it. Well, I've gone to war with this bathroom floor, so now Zone 4, Task 2, done. I'll see you tomorrow for task number 3. So it's day 3 of Zone 4, week 4. And the task for today is to clean the woodwork here in the bedroom. So when I did my weekly home blessing on Monday, I did not dust the woodwork in this room because I didn't want to have to take the things all off the surfaces again to clean this woodwork today. And since I am actually cleaning and then conditioning the woodwork, I'm going to use this orange glow wood furniture polish for that. So I'll dust it off with this, and then I will actually clean it and condition it with this. And of course, I'll use my favorite Viva paper towel. So let's get that started. And in case you're wondering why I'm wearing an apron for such a simple task, well, I don't want to get this oil on my dress. So the purpose of the apron is to keep me protected. Like we say, an apron diva, pretty and practical. An apron can be a homemaker's best accessory. And the place is right here around the handle. This can get a little bit grubby. So that's why I like to make sure I'm cleaning these from time to time. Now I clean this woodwork in this manner about once every couple of months. When I do my weekly home blessing, I will usually dust the top, but I don't normally remove the things from underneath this little bedside table and take all those out and dust those. So I'm doing that today as part of my zone cleaning. My husband put that huge flashlight by the bed because we've had quite a few rainstorms lately, and he wanted to make sure we had a source of light in case the power went out. So that's why that's here. It doesn't normally sit here, but lately we've kept it on standby. The polishing is done, but I'm going to actually let the woodwork just kind of sit for about 30 minutes because since it is an oil base, it might still be just a little bit moist. So I'll just let it dry just a little bit more, and then I'll put everything back in place. More storms are expected tonight, so I better put this back in place. So it's Friday, and it is the last day of my zone cleaning for week 4. And I've got a really simple task for today. It is just to organize these 2 drawers right here. And it should be pretty easy, so let's get that started. This is just a drawer where my husband keeps his sweatpants and that kind of thing. So every now and then I just need to go through and roll them up again. And I did the same thing here in the back. I've got longer sleeve t-shirts, thermal underwear for winter, or PJs over there. So these are looking pretty good. Done. Well, that task probably only took 10 minutes, and that's how you keep it down to 10 or 15 minutes, by staying on top of things. If you want to see more episodes of my August Diaries, where I am doing my zone cleaning and using my planner to plot things out, click here. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying you are not done yet. Click on the link in the comment section below and check out another of my August Diaries, and I will see you next time. Be sure to visit us at www.aprondiva.com.